Hello dear student of Sacred International School Khilchia. Today we will start first chapter of the history for the 6th standard is what, where, how and when. Before starting the chapter, firstly I want to give a definition or explain about history because today we are going through this history book. So, do you know what is a history? Okay, I will explain. History is the study of the past. What happened in the past by looking at things from the past. A person who studies of history is called historian. Okay, so let's start from the chapter. First topic is where did people live? People lived along the banks of the rivers for several hundred thousands years. You can see in this map these dark lines showing the rivers Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Byas, Ravi, Satluj, Jamna, Ganga, Satpura, Narmada. These are the rivers and people lived bank of the rivers. Why they are lived there? Because of water. Because water is a essential part of human's life. Some of the peoples who lived here were skilled hunter gatherers. They lived near forest because on that times they gathering something for food, they hunted the animals. That's why they live near the banks of the rivers or near the forest. After that, people lived as a settled agriculturalist. Such areas as Suleiman and Kithar Hills, Gargo Hills to the northeast. This is a north and this is a east. These are between is a northeast Vidyan in the central India. In the Suleiman and Kithar hills, women and men first began to grow crops such as wheat and barley 8,000 years ago. Rearing animals also began there. Agriculture developed in many areas. Rice was first grown to the north of the Vidyans. Settlement near rivers trace the river Indus and Ganga along with their tributaries. What is the tributaries? Okay, I will explain. For example, this is the Indus river and some small rivers are joining together here. This is called tributaries. About 4,700 years ago, some of the earlier cities flourished on the banks of these rivers in the India. Later, about 2,500 years ago, cities developed on the bank of Ganga. This is the bank of Ganga. Area south of the Ganga was known as the Magad. At the present, this area is the Bihar. Okay. Its rulers were very popular and set up a large kingdom. In this space is a Magad on that time. Next topic is a movement of the people. Since past, people traveling from one part of the subcontinent to another parts. But main the point is why they move. Because in search of livelihood, to escape from natural disasters like drought, etc. Some movement of the armies. Other important point is merchants traveling for trades. They are moving from one place to another for the trade. Religious teachers walked from village to village, propagating a religious message.